This video is about how to make IV shirts. This is actually a sewn IV shirt. If you watch the video on how to make bibs and burp cloths, you make them the exact same way. In fact, you can use that same 9.5-inch strip of flannel. This is 2 sides of flannel. So you will lay the pattern down on the flannel, trace it with right sides together. Then you will sew on that line. You will trim it, turn it right side out, top stitch around the edge, and then close the open seam. At that point, this is ready to add snaps, and you can see these two here have snaps on them. We add those once they're turned in, so we ask you to wash them. You can see the best fabric to use is either a solid color or some sort of small print, since these are going to go on small, probably preemie babies. These are a little bit, 2 different sizes. This one's a little bit smaller. If you're using prints, you want to try to use small prints. One important thing is you need to make sure if they're directional that they are face up. So both of these have a one way to the fabric, so you need to make sure when you make them that it is facing the right direction. If you look at these are ones where there's no direction to it. The animals are upside down and sideways and backwards and everything, so it doesn't matter as much how it faces it. But in general, it's better to use fabric like this that is a little bit plainer for the preemie babies, but as long as it's not upside down, you can still use it. So look at the video on how to sew bibs and burps, and that will show you the directions for this.